been a
Never
friend.
seen before. Jeez,
It's nice to have someone who's
I'm
brave.
excited. Ah! Go.
When you feel down, it's nice to have someone who will cheer you up.
Oh, yeah.
Or when you feel new,
It's too. Oh, please.
it's nice to have someone who's been around for a while. And when you're small, it's nice to have friends who are
Awesome.
really, really, really big.
Really big.